Hello and welcome everyone, and in this video I'm gonna go into how to create, just kidding, not creating anything, but showing you my own Lego creation mocha of Star Wars set 75176. This is probably one of the best sets I have ever created. That is right, this is just amazing in details, but it wasn't complete, it wasn't perfect. Therefore, what I did, I went and I modified it to create my own creation, and it is almost the same, identical as the original one, except for some modifications. So I don't know if you can spot them, but you can attempt to spot them yourself if you can. But if you can't spot them, I'm gonna highlight it for you right now. So first of all, a few modifications, and this is from the top view of the spacecraft, is the actual cannon. The cannon blaster right here. It's totally a little bit different than the original one, and I made it so it spins using your hand, so you don't have to spin something, a knob, like it used to have before, where you spin a knob and this actually moves. You can just spin it like this, so there was no complicated mechanism inside of it. The next thing I actually did here, I upgraded the font, I made it look totally different. So we have an engine intake right here, we have a valve that goes right there, two vents that go up as well. The blaster is on the top actually, not from the side. And we have, oops, this thing is a little fragile, so this thing just fell apart. The reason why is, well, one thing I'm missing is I was going to secure this a little more and I haven't done so. So that's the reason this actually fell out. And because I liked it to be a little bit one knob on the side instead of how it used to be, which is right here. It's actually not bad either way. It's more secure the way it was before. Now, next step here, what I did is this right here. As you can see, I totally changed the interface a little bit better. It looks much better the way I did this versus what it used to be before. Another thing I did, I put a blaster right here. I put those right there, those two wing things on the side. And the best part is actually the inside. So let me show you what I mean by the inside. Make it more right, zoom in. Guess who is inside those? You wouldn't believe it. So we have those minifigures, and I really like those two kinds that came with the minifigure sets, and I added this piece to it. Now there's something very cool about those minifigures that you can do. I found this. This looks like the perfect addition to them. See? I really like this. So this makes it look like it is some kind of an interesting looking of an alien space figure. And you can put him right in here, in the cockpit right there. There we go. Now this looks kind of cool, don't you think? But the best part is the inside of this. Totally upgraded everything inside of this whole thing. So what I did is I totally cleaned this up. This used to be just a mess. There used to be all kinds of controls here just to move this gun. So I got rid of all of it. And what I did is I just made it an empty space. So you can put one of those robots in here. You can even take them out if you want to, or you can even put a minifigure all the way in. You couldn't do this before. On the other side, there is this guy right there, who is all the way inside this robot. And there is space here for other stuff, such as, well, maybe one of those. You can throw it in here. Last time I did it, it got totally stuck, so I'm not going to try to do it again. Pretty much. And the top of it, as you can see, I put this to it. So I made this a lot more interesting, easier with the creation, and still it was just really small modifications that I did to this, like this. I just changed the colors right there. Basically, it's like 92% original stuff and 5% minor modifications that made this look, I think, a lot better than it used to be. Anyway, if you guys have any comments, what do you think of this, and any other way of improving this specific set, let me know. And otherwise, I think this looks like the perfect set, really. I really like this set, and even the original one looks amazing. It's great to do, awesome to create. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and see you in another one.